Hello, this is Sandeep. I welcome you all to my channel. On this auspicious day of Sankranti, I have come to Sri Krishna Mutt. You may see me standing right in front of Kanaka. Here you can see the busy street of Sri Krishna Mutt. It is called as Rathabidi. Come on, we'll take you in.
Long back in 13th century, the great sage Sri Madhvacharya had installed Sri Krishna idol on this particular day, that is Makara Sankranti. It is believed that for the great devotion of Kanakadasa, the Krishna changed its direction from east facing to west facing. In the memory of this, the window is named after Kanakanakindi, and thereafter the Kanaka Gopura is built. You may see in the photo beautiful Vajralankared Sri Krishna. After Ratri Puja, the Utsamurtis of Lord Krishna, Lord Mukhyaprana were brought to Madhva Sarovara. Thereafter, 3 rounds were taken to the holy pond, which is called as Teppotsava. After Teppotsava, the idol of Lord Shri Krishna was then taken out and placed in Brahmaratha, the idol of Lord Mukhyaprana in the Garudaratha, and the Utsava Murtis of Lord Ananteshwara and Lord Chandramoleshwara were placed in the Mahapujaratha in front of Shri Krishna temple. You can see different musical instruments are being played in front of Lord and celebrations everywhere. Hundreds of devotees pulled the 3 chariots, chanting Govinda Gopala. At this moment, all the devotees forget their difficulties and sorrows and eat the part of this divinity. You can see many devotees decorating the cast street, Rathabidi, with varieties of rangolis. You can see groups of different folks performing in the beginning of the procession. Thereafter, the biggest reth of all the 3, the Brahmarath, is being pulled by a number of devotees in the clockwise direction in Rathabidi and being halted here. This is the special day on which all the 3 reths are being pulled. The great chiefs of all the 8 mutts, the Ashtamat, come and offer special puja to the Lord and be the part of the celebration. In my childhood days, I have seen the elephant of the mutt, Subhadra, would come and contribute to push the rath whenever the rath was stuck. After the Rathotsava, the idol of Sri Krishna is being taken inside the mutt in the golden palanki. You can see cows throughout the car street, and this is the speciality of Rathabidi. There are 3 special festivals celebrated in the Krishna Mutt, and those are Sankranti, Krishnanmashtami and Paryaya. If you are planning to visit Sri Krishna Mutt, see to it that you plan to any of these. Devotees all around world come and be part of this spiritual world.
Like, comment, subscribe.